You're mean.
Is it good?
You like whipped cream at 8 months old? You're doing good getting it on your hands. You're doing good. Working with the tools God gave you. Look at that cute little face. Trying to be a clean plater. Yeah, that's good.
He's good.
He's not even looking at his finger. He gets it on his finger and then looks at the back of his hand. Having a little trouble getting in the right spot, huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I know you're not going to lick that ball on the plate. Hey, Micah. Hey, baby. Look at you, big boy. Well, I think